Let's do the simplifications. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 1, so we have 1 here and we have 6 here. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3, so we have 1 here and we have 3 here. This is m cubed and this is m to the 4, so what we have is, so this is going to be gone, 1, and I'm going to have only m here, so the result is going to be 1 over 6 times 3 is equal to 18, and m to the power 1. 1 over 18m. Simplify these out. 21 divided by 7 is going to be 3, so I have 3 here. And 24, 36, when I divide 25 by 12, I'm going to have 2 here. And when I divide 36 by 12, I'm going to have 3 here. I have m to the 7, I have m to the 5 here, so it means that when I subtract 7 from 5, what I'm going to have is m square here. And I have a to the 5 here, I have a cube here. What I'm going to have is a square here. And I have 2 here, do not forget that. And I have 2 3's here, which makes 9. This is the answer. 2 times m square times a square. Since I have a division here, let's make it multiplication to make it easier. What I have is 35m squared divided by 48a squared times 36a to the 5 divided by 7m to the 4, which is going to be equal to, let's make the necessary simplifications now. Let's show it by blue. 7, 35, this is going to be 5, this is going to be 1. And 36 is going to be 3 when you divide by 12. 48 is going to be 4. Now I have here m squared and I have m to the 4 here. So this is going to be gone and this is going to be square. I have a square here and a to the 5 here. This is going to be gone. This will turn into cube. Let's write it down now. What I have here is 5 times 3 times a cube over 4 times m squared, which is 15a cubed divided by 4m squared. Let's simplify first. This m and this m are gone. This y and this y are gone. Now, and this 2, this 4 and these 2 are gone. I have only 2 here left. 3 is gone. 6 is gone. I have 2 left here. What I have is 2 times y plus 6 plus 2 times x plus 3. Now let's expand the parentheses. What I have is 2y plus 12 plus 2x plus 6, which makes what I have here is equal to 2x plus 2y plus 18. Okay, we can see that x squared minus 10x plus 25 is actually equal to x minus 5's square divided by x minus 5 plus x squared plus 14x plus 49 is equal to x plus 7's square divided by x plus 7. So what I need to do is just to simplify. This is gone, square is gone, this is gone, square is gone. So what I have is x minus 5 plus x plus 7, which makes 2x plus 2. Here we can see that x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to x plus 4's square. So I can write it down like this: x plus 4 divided by x plus 4's square over 2. Or I can write it down as the other side by multiplication by turning upside down. X plus 4 times 2 over x plus 4's square. So what I have is this square and x plus 4 cancelling each other out. So what I have in the numerator is 2, and in the denominator what I have is x plus 4. 2 divided by x plus 4 is the answer. Here, as we can see, since the denominators are equal, I can just sum up the numerators. What I will have is gonna be 2m minus 16 divided by m minus 8. And you can see that if I take this into the parentheses of 2, 2m minus 16 is going to be equal to m minus 8 divided by m minus 8 again. And these cancelling each other out, leaving me alone with the answer, which is 2. In this question we have equal denominators, so what we need to do is just sum up the numerators. So what I have is going to be equal to a plus 1 plus 2 plus 5a plus 1 divided by 3a plus 2, which is equal to, what I have here is 1 plus 5, I have 6a plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4, divided by 3a plus 2. And when I take this into the parentheses of 2, what I have is 3a plus 2 here. And I already have another 3a plus 2 in the denominator, so that these 3a plus 2's will cancel each other out, and my answer is going to be 2. Let's simplify the third expression first. When I divide 2 by 2, it's going to be 2, and when I divide 12 by 2, it's going to be 6. So what I have in my hand is m over 6x plus m over 6x plus m over 6x, which is going to be equal to 6x here. Since the denominators are equal to each other, I can just sum up the numerators now. What I have is 1, 2, 3 m's here. 3m divided by 6x. So when I simplify these, this is going to be left by 2. So what I have in my hand is m over 2x. In this question, the denominators are not equal to each other, so I have to equalize them by expanding them by each other's coefficients. So what I have here is going to be 13 times 5 minus 4 times 6 divided by 5 times 4, which is equal to 20m. Then what I have here is 65 minus 24 divided by 20m. And this is going to be equal to 41 divided by 20m, which is the answer of this question. In this question, you have probably seen that m squared plus 2m plus 1 is actually the square of m plus 1. And m squared plus 4m plus 4 is equal to the square of m plus 2. I have a division sign here. Let's make it multiplication by taking everything upside down. So m plus 1 will be up here. M plus 2, sorry, will be up here. And m plus 1 will be down here. And now let's simplify them. M plus 1 gone, square gone, and m plus 2 gone, square gone. What I have is m plus 1 divided by m plus 2. In this question, the denominators are not equal to each other, so I need to expand them with each other to make it equal. So I multiply here by t minus 2 and here by t plus 1. So what I have is t minus 2 here plus t plus 1, and in the denominator I have to multiply these guys with each other, which makes t plus 1 t minus 2. When I multiply them with each other, I have t squared minus 2t plus t and minus 2. And upside what I have is I have 2t here minus 2 plus 1 makes minus 1, which is going to be equal to 2t minus 1 divided by t squared minus 2t plus t, which makes minus t minus 2. This is the answer of this question.